Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the function keys on HONOR MagicBook. So I'm gonna show you the function keys first. They are here on the keyboard, ranging from F1 to F12, and they have two functions. So on the top you'll see these icons which indicate their functions, but also you'll see these F number keys which may have some actions assigned in the system in different apps. And let me show you that, for example, on the example of a browser. So as I go to the browser, now I can click on F12 key to open DevTools. Then I can click on F12 to close it. Okay, so actually I need to remember the decision in that browser. Then I can click on F11 to put it in full screen, or F1 to open the help and all of that. So these are the different options. But if you want to use it, use the symbols that I'm gonna explain all in a moment, what do they mean, you need to first click on the Fn key until it stops sliding. So when you click on it, you can turn it off or on. When it's on, it uses the F number keys, and when it's off, it uses the symbols that are printed here. This is for changing the brightness down, as you can see. This is for changing the brightness up. This is for keyboard backlight. It just turns it off, turns it on, makes it brighter, or turns it off again. This mutes the sounds, this or unmutes it. This turns the volume down, turns the volume up. This is the camera, so you can just open it. You can see the camera pops out, pretty cool. This is for muting the microphone. This is for projecting, so if you have an external screen connected, you can easily select different options here. This is for Wi-Fi settings, but sometimes it just doesn't work. This is for PC Manager app, but sometimes it also doesn't work. Then this is the print screen. I have the German keyboard layout, so it says Druck, but it should be print screen on most of the keyboard layout, and you can click on that to take a screenshot. Then this is the insert key, so it is kind of a weird key, to be honest, but I'm gonna show you that in a moment. And these are basically the keys that you have as the other option. And I'm gonna show you the insert key as I promised. So let's go to the notepad. And as I, for example, type in something like name and type in a few dots, then if I position my cursor here at the beginning of these dots, then if I type something in, you can see the dots start shifting. That's pretty normal. But if I click on Insert button, then you can see text replaces them. And I can also, for example, when I click on Insert again to turn it off, I can change the name to surname. But if I click on Insert, then if I type something in, for example, age, you can see it replaces the sir. And now I can click on Delete key to delete what's in front of it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.